Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You need to act now. Make sure you're signed into the Google account that manages the hub, and note Wi-Fi and linked devices so recovery is faster. Backup or record any routines, calendars, or photo albums you want to keep. Once you've confirmed those essentials, wake the display, swipe or tap to open settings, locate device settings or device information, and select the factory reset option to start the process immediately so you don't lose control. You'll see a clear prompt asking to erase the device. That's the command that removes local settings and unlinks accounts. Confirm the factory reset. The hub will show progress and may reboot multiple times. If you prefer the phone, open the Google Home app, tap the device card, go to Settings, then Remove or Factory Reset, and confirm. Make sure not to unplug or power cycle mid-process. Interrupting can corrupt firmware and prolong recovery. Once the reset completes, the hub presents the first time setup flow. Follow on-screen prompts or reopen Google Home to rejoin your Wi-Fi and sign in. This restores cloud data where available. If the device doesn't respond or doesn't enter reset, power cycle it, wait 30 seconds, and try the factory reset again. Power interruptions before finishing can stall recovery. If that still fails, note the serial number and exact behavior, and contact support.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.